Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Just a Chillbull token. Ticker symbol is Chillbull. Now this is a very popular meme coin on the Solana blockchain, trending number 10 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume. Now this is a play off of the very popular token, the Just a Chillguy token. If you haven't heard of that token, check out my video I did on that token about 2 or 3 days ago. Very popular meme. You could find out the full backstory on the Just a Chillguy token on the knowyourmeme.com webpage if you're not familiar with that meme or the meme coin. And yeah, so this token is a spin-off of that token, combination of Just a Chillguy and bull for the bull market, because right now we are definitely in a bull market. Bitcoin keeps hitting all-time highs, and it's almost at 100,000 US, doing very well, obviously, Bitcoin, and it's been, all over the news since somebody got in office. Things have been going pretty well for crypto. So we're going to go over the Just a Chillbull token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now has 17,260 holders, doing very well. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It is a deflationary meme coin, so right now the total supply and circulating supply for this token is 999.98 million tokens. And this token here has a Telegram. If you want to follow that, is at Chillbull Solana. 375 Telegram subscribers. It says, I am just a Chillbull on Solana. And you can preview the Telegram channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. And new partnerships, new token listing announcements, memes, updates, all that type of stuff is going to be on the Telegram, the socials, and the Twitter as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. At Chillbull Solana, 6 posts so far, 4,070 Twitter followers, has a link to their webpage right there, chillbull.xyz, and also their contract address. You can see the contract address ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, which is a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. And so yeah, this token here, if you're looking to get it, real easy to find the contract address on the Twitter. So first of all, you would need a Solana wallet. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any one of those wallets would do. You would fund your wallet with Sol. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, or you can find it on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium. You also may be able to get this token off other Solana dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, and Orca. If you go to their webpage, chillbull.xyz, they do have a buy button that will take you right to Raydium too. You can connect your wallet that way. And they have links to the chart. It says here, big team, fully decentralized, 100% community powered, just a chill token. It says staking coming soon, and central exchange listings have been applied for. So what is Chillbull? It says we are just a Chillbull. Below, you can find a short roadmap, and it says this was completed in the first 2 days of our launch. Yes, this will all happen quickly, and we have worked fast and hard to reach our goals beforehand. Roadmap 2.0 will be built together, and we've already established a community. So it says launch, fair launch on pump.fun with no snipers or botters involved. They're going to establish a household name. Once we go live, we will start to push ourselves everywhere. Huge marketing campaign is planned involving a group of tier 1 influencers that will be paid with our funds and not supply. Form a community. Once we have seen everyone, everywhere, all the people that come together and join our community, this is where we will start to push together, and the team with our holders with the strong Chillbull community, and watch us grow stronger together. And central exchange listings, since the moment we launch our token, we will be working on central exchange listings in the background. Funds for them have already been secured. We will start doing this the moment we launch, so the listing can be perfectly timed. So it says keep your radars on, follow us on X, follow us on Telegram for the latest news from Chillbull. Stay hooked, stay hyped. So lots of info there on the webpage. You could check that out. But this token's doing pretty well. It's been, up and down. Right now the market cap is $1.5 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, this token is up 1,501%. They have a total 24-hour trading volume of $6.9 million. Very popular project with 176,917 transactions just today. Token price is 0.0014 USD. And they have $168,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token is trending number 10 right now on Dex Screener. They have the marketing boost button. And this token only came out 15 hours ago, so it is a brand new token. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.